Mr. Georgian Gonzalez!
Good evening, Ascenders. Good evening. I'd like to welcome each and everyone, lahat ng Ascenders na nandito. Acknowledge yung more than 2,700 na nanonood sa atin ngayon sa Facebook Live. Hindi ko lang alam kung lahat yon Ascenders. Because it's Sunday, they are not doing anything. Well, even not Sunday, they are watching us. The whole industry is watching us. They're not watching us alone, but they're watching each and every one of you. So you have a very big responsibility to become successful. Because a lot of people out there want you to fail. But you cannot fail here in Ascendra International. Hindi kayo magfe-fail because, number one, sinabi kanina ni Chief Finance Officer how we founded Ascendra 4 or 5 months ago. It was founded on providing solution. Kaya nga ang tawag sa kanya, MLM Solution Company, because we want to really help, be of service to the industry. More importantly, sa mga nagsisimula sa nawalan ng grupo, dun sa mga nagkagrupo na nawala, naging successful na nawala. And hindi lang yon. Nung nagbukas tayo, pati yung ayaw na sa networking, napabalik ng Ascendra dahil sa vision natin. Maraming sumama sa atin, not because of the marketing plan, not because of the products, but more importantly, because of the direction, the vision of the company. Kaya nga ang tawag dito, mission siya. Ang tawag dito, movement. And that's the history of Ascendra International as explained to you by our Chief Finance Officer. I'd like to also acknowledge our CEO. Pinakita niya yung mga developments natin. Tulad ng sinabi namin sa inyo nung una, we have a vision. May gagawin tayo. Pero kung mapapansin nyo sa company natin or sa amin, hindi kami puro salita. Pag sinabi natin maglalabas tayo ng HMO-like na product, ngayon, in-explain ni Miko Imson, this coming November 5, labas na po yung HMO-like product natin. We do not just talk, we walk the talk. Sawa na tayo dun sa puro salita, walang gawa. Sa Ascendra, bawal yan, mga upline, mga success partners, sa mga growth partners. Hindi nyo lang alam, may AI kaming ginawa. Kahit nasa bahay kayo, nakikita namin kayo. You cannot fail here. You have to be responsible. We are providing you the solution. Sinabi kanina ni COO, yung mga improvements sa operations natin. Technology company na rin tayo. Lalabas na yung ATM natin, care of course, our partner Union Bank. Migrating everything unti-unti sa ATM and cashment. And this is also good, ladies and gentlemen, for all the OFW or all overseas Filipino workers. Yung mga growth partners ninyo, grupo nyo sa iba't ibang bansa, basta Pilipino, pwede silang mag-apply ng ATM, Union Bank, para i-encash na nila. Basta may visa yung machine sa abroad, pwede na lang withdrawin yung pera o komisyon nila. Hindi na katulad previously yung mga downlines ninyo na OFW, kailangan pang umuwi sa Pilipinas para i-encash yung kanilang cheque. This time, it's not like that anymore. We will provide solution because as we said, we are an MLM solution company. Bakit kayo lalaki dito? Hindi lang dahil sa compensation plan or product. Lalaki kayo dito, magiging successful kayo. We will be the biggest MLM in 2026 because we have the solution. We have the technology. Nga nung master trainer namin nung isang araw, pag hindi kami namalat, wala kang ginagawa. Kaya magmula ngayon ang attendance nyo sa upline nyo, minamalat ka dapat. Pag hindi ka minamalat, wala kang ginagawa. Sabi sa amin ng master trainer namin kahapon, work 8 days a week. Anyway, so we are providing you the solution. Bakit kayo lalaki? Ayaw namin kunin sa hype. Hype na yan. Puro hype, puro excitement. Kukunin natin sa data. Kukunin natin sa reality. Kukunin natin sa direction, sa vision. Kukunin natin sa sipag. Kukunin natin sa i-reveal ko sa inyo ngayon. Kukunin natin ang pangarap nyo ng mas mabilis dahil sa i-reveal ko ngayon. Bakit kayo lalaki? Ba't tayo magiging number one? Why will be the next big thing here in the Philippines? Again, ladies and gentlemen, we have the clear path. We have the solution. We have the structure. We have the system. We have the strategy. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. Pag hindi ka lumaki dito, ikaw na ang may kasalanan talaga. Pag hindi ka pa yumaman dito, kasalanan mo na. Pag hindi ka pa lumaki dito, nako, bansot ka na. Pag hindi ka pa yumaman dito, of all these things that we are telling you, of all the work that we are doing behind the scene, we are working hard. We are calling each other, Miko and I, 3:30 in the morning for today. I woke up at around 8, 9. The staff are already here by 6 o'clock. Bakit namin ginagawa to? Hindi kami ang bida sa Ascendra, ang bida kayo. We will create an environment where everybody is valued. Sabihin mo, valued. Lahat kayo importante. Kami, makikita nyo kami doon. Pakalat-kalat lang po sa opisina. Pag magpapapicture nga yung iba dyan, ganito pa, Sir, lika. Lika, sir. Picture. Sabi ko, opo. It's fine. Walang problema sa amin yon. Hilain nyo kami. Huwag nyo lang akong hihilain pag may hawak-hawak akong wet wipes. Alam nyo na kung saan ako papunta noon pag may hawak akong wet wipes. Ang CR nyo, CR namin. Magkakatabi tayo, mga lalaki. Yung iba pag nakita ko, ewan ko, siguro nasya-shock. Pag tingin niyang ganyan, ay! Tapos pagkatapos, gusto mong kumamay sa akin. Okay lang. Ordinaryong tao lang po kami, katulad ninyo. Bakit kayo lalaki dito? We have just been trained. 200 of your generals have been trained by the master guru in MLM. 2 days kaming inupuan ni Eddie Chay. At lahat ng magsiseryoso sa amin, lahat na magsiseryoso sa 200 general na yon, tutulungan, tuturuan, tututukan ka para yumaman ka rito. Bakit ka lalaki dito? We have partnered with the best. Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for our grand launching next year, nahihirapan pa po kami sa venue kasi ang mga venue puno. Yung event organizer, 4 months pa lang tayo, kulang na lang sabihin sa amin ni Donna, bakit kasi ang dami nyo na, sir? Sa loob-loob ko, ano ka ba? Ascenders to, kaya ang dami na namin kahit 4 na buwan pa lang kami. So puno yung mga venue, namumroblema si Miss Donna. Lahat, tinitignan. But we're gonna announce, as early as now, we're organizing, we will announce it to you. But in preparation for our grand launching, I want everyone to be reminded here. Do not waste your time in Ascendra. Nasa pre-pioneering stage pa lang tayo. You have to maximize your time. Ang pre-pioneering stage will never happen to you again. It only happens in your life once in a lifetime lang ito. Huwag niyong palalagpasin. So if you have to sponsor people. Huwag kang papayag sa January. Isa ka lang. Dapat by January, ang dami mo ng grupo. Dapat ang hihingin mong ticket sa founding partner upline. Kailangan ko ng 100, 200 na ticket. Grupo ko pa lang. Huwag kayong papayag na ang hihingin pong ticket, pengin 5. Pag 5 hiningi mo, hindi ka counted. Gets niyo ba ako? So I'm challenging you. Bakit kayo lalaki? In the pipeline, first, we will be coming up with these products by next year. Ayan, pakipakita na po natin sa kanila. Alright, part of our vitality. Remember, Ascend Resolution, tawag sa mga produkto natin, Mastery, Vitality, Protection. Dapat, alam na alam nyo po to by heart. Dapat pag ginising kita sa gabi, huy, ano yung MVP? Huwag mo ako sasabihin, most valuable player up. MVP means my mastery, vitality, and protection. Sa vitality, ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you our next products to be launched by next year. Elixir Boost, an all-in-one vitality para sa longevity, elixir, immunity, energy, and anti-aging in every sip. 78 fruits and vegetables. Demonstrable. 4 ang demo nito. Nagsisynthesize ng protein. I-demo namin sa harap, pag nilagyan yan, tinutunaw niya yung egg yolk. Yung kulay yellow ng egg. Kaya nga, egg yolk eh. Pangalawang demo, nagsisynthesize ng protein. Pangalawa, nagsisynthesize ng starch. Yung starch, gawgaw, cornstarch and everything, pag nilagyan ng tubig, lumalapot lang. Pag nilagyan ng Elixir Boost, natutunaw mismo yung starch. Hindi siya nagiging taba, hindi nagiging extra calorie. Pang-atlong demo, kukuha kami ng lard. Alam niyo yung lard, yung taba. Yung tunay na taba, yung puti ng baboy. Lalagay sa baso. Titimplayin namin elixir. In your eyes, matutunaw yung lard. Ang sanay na tinutunaw pagdating sa taba, styrofoam. Luma na po yun. Ang bago ngayon, lard na mismo ang tinutunaw. Elixir Boost lang yan. Pang-4 na demo yung usual, nakakaputi ng betadine. All in one. Number 2, Celestial Glow Soap. Radiates confidence with the glow. Celestial. Ang ganda ng glow. Premium skin brightening and rejuvenating formula. Pinag-isipang mabuti ni Miss Tintin at saka ni Cheska yan. Pinagdibatihang mabuti. Dahil ang gusto nilang maging kutis ng mga Ascendra girls, parang kutis ni Christine Olatik. Ha? Ayan, tingnan nyo. Pakitingin nga yung camera. Agsapampinsan lang ito eh. Alain nyo ti camera na ito yan. Nagje-German po ako. Ayan. Pakita nyo. Ayan, ganyang kutis, oh. Ganyang kutis, oh. Tingin ka dito. Yan, oh. Model ng Celestial Soap. Ha? Oh. Another one. In Your Harmony. Para po to, designed for women, para sa mga kababaihan. A breakthrough natural support for PCOS. Study shows, 1 out of 4 women, hindi nyo alam na meron kayong PCOS. PCOS is polycystic ovary syndrome. Hindi nyo alam na meron kayong cyst sa ovary. Nakakakos ng hormonal imbalance, nakaka-heighten ng androgen, nakaka-tabs. Alam nyo yung tabs? Ayan, alam nyo na. Nagkakaroon ng irregular menstruation, dysmenorrhea, infertility. Ito, merong human clinical study. Ilalabas po namin itong study na to with scientific proof na nakakatulong talaga sa may mga PCOS. Lahat to pinag-isipan bago i-launch. Right now, these are all under process of registration. Right now, all these are being registered sa FDA. Yung iba dyan, lumabas sa registration. And kaya ko po ito ina-announce kasi in our midst today, kasama natin yung provider natin, yung mga supplier dyan. Palakpakan po natin sila, yung mga supplier. Julius, Nessa, Christine, kailangan yung ilabas to. kukuyugin kayo ng 2,000 ito pag hindi nyo nilabas to ng oras. Kaya ako kayo pinapunta dito para ma-pressure kayo. Next. Mastery. Eto na. Isa sa mga produkto natin, yung Mastery. Part of that is yung trainings. Part of that is the Ascend program. Mastery Solution of Ascendra International. Ano itong mga training na to? Practical. Napanood nyo na ba yung mga training natin?
Yes!
It's not theoretical. It's all practical. Applicable. Number 2, progressive. Meron kang dadaanan para tumaas yung learning mo. Hindi siya redundant. Hindi siya monotonous. Progressive siya. Number 3, potential. It brings out the potential in you. It brings out your talent, your hidden skills, your hidden potential. And I'm very proud to tell you, next, on-site, nakikita nyo kami nagtitraining sa office, particularly ako, Miko, Joseph, Juancho. Online, bukod sa kami as founders, nagtitraining sa office, may mga Zoom training pa kami to be able to serve those who cannot go to the office. Ascenders like in abroad or in the provinces here in the Philippines, across the Philippines. And today, we are very proud to tell you, aside from the on-site, aside from the online, next, on-demand, mapapanood nyo na ang mga training. On-demand, ba't siya tinawag na on-demand? Kung kailan ka pwede, kung kailan mo gustong panoodin, mapapanood mo na. At the tip of your fingertip, of course, at the tip of your fingers, mapapanood mo na siya. This is what we call our learning hub. Learning hub. Sabihin mo, learning hub. Next. Ano yung nasa learning hub? Again, modules tailored to your level. May pang-associate, may pang-builder and consultant, meron ding pang-director and executive. May basic, may advanced. Hindi nakahalo-halo yan. Pag basic lang, basic muna. Pag advanced, advanced. Anytime, anywhere. Kasi, nasa internet. Ngayon, naka-web-based siya. Naka-web. Pupunta ka muna sa yung web page. Pero very soon, makikita nyo na siya sa Apple Store at saka sa Android. Downloadable app na siya. Multi-language ready. Pag nagte-training kaming ganyan, may subtitle na nakikita dito, pwedeng palitan ng language. Pag taga-Pluto ang prospect mo, Plutonian ang language. May workbook, kailangan tapusin mo, hindi mo pwedeng i-advance. Matatrack ka ng AI, pag ina-advance mo, lalabas dun, uy, ang daya mo. Kasi yung iba, di ba, maghilig mag-advance, hindi mo siya pwedeng advance, matatrack ka. Matatrack ka rin nung success partner mo, upline mo, kung tapos na yung training. So ikaw, bilang upline, bilang sponsor, bilang success partner, you will be able to monitor your group, your downlines, if they are able to really attend the trainings or not. Meron ka ngayong pang-remind. Again, technology-based na tayo. May mga production-based challenges. Turn learning into income. May mga magpa-pop up. Ito yung pinaka-importante. Future development. Magkakaroon kayo ng notes and calendar dun mismo sa learning hub nyo. Ano yung manatutunan mo sa module na yan, itatype mo. Ilalagay mo yung calendar mo para i-remind ka niya kung ano yung mga susunod na activities mo. Full CRM to. Full CRM, Customer Relation Management. Naka-designed specifically sa'yo kasi naglalagay ka na naglalagay ng notes. And once na ni-launch natin tong notes and calendar, we encourage everyone to use it. Gamitin nyo ng gamitin. Mag-notes kayo na mag-notes. Maglagay kayo ng maraming information sa'yo. Kasi ginagather ng AI natin yung information na yan, patalino siya ng patalino dahil sa sinusulat ninyo. Ladies and gentlemen, specifically, para makita nyo paano siya ginagamit, I'd like to call on our Business Development Officer, our IT, our customer service. Alright, yan. O, go. Ayan yung portal ng Learning Hub. Okay? Hindi tayo yung tipong magpapakita ng nangyayari na hindi nangyayari. Tayo ang ipinapakita natin actual. When we say we are launching, we are indeed launching. When we say that it's available, it is available. Ayan. Palakpakan nyo naman. Welcome to Ascendra. Learning. Pindutin mo. Get started. Pag executive ka, for example, ayan. Check-in. Ayan. What to learn? Gusto mo ng mindset? Ang nakakarga dyan ay mindsetting ni load classmate Joseph Lim. Yung mga training namin sa opisina, nakakarga na dyan. Ayan, hindi ka makaka-activate hanggat hindi mo nadadaanan yung mga dapat nyo pang daanan. Tsaka hindi nyo na ipapasa yung test. Pagbagsak kayo, lagi kayong grade 1 dito. Ha? Kala nyo, hindi nyo madadaya yung AI. O, yan. May training about lift-off. Naalala nyo? Lift-off, elevate, alignment, and reach. Yung learn, may N pa yan eh. Clear pala. Yung C, check-in. Lahat nakakarga na dyan, on demand. Next. Okay na siya? O, palakpakan nyo naman. Are you happy? So, can you imagine ang leverage nyo ngayon? Hindi nyo lang leverage yung mga upline, senior partners, or kami. Leverage nyo na yung technology. Whenever they join, wherever they are, kahit hindi mo kasama ang grupo mo, kahit hindi mo kasama ang team mo, o downlines mo, or leaders mo, because of our technology, because of our learning hub, everybody's learning. Uniform, pantay-pantay, lahat natututo, lahat umaangat, lahat uma-ascend sa Ascendra International. Ayan. Next. Learning meets intelligence. So this is a type of technology where tayo po, maglalabas tayo ng tinatawag nating AI Companion. Yung AI Companion, ito yung pinagmamalaki namin sa inyo that within our portal, dinidevelop na. Next. Para siyang ChatGPT, pero hindi natin tatawaging ChatGPT kasi hindi tayo kumuha ng source sa OpenAI. Sa Ascendra, hindi tayo nakipag-link sa OpenAI, sa DeepSeek, sa Gemini, hindi. Sa Ascendra International, tayo mismo ang sariling nag-develop ng AI companion natin. Inimbento from ground up. Tayo may-ari ng AI mismo. Hindi tayo nakikipag-AI-AIan lang. Sa atin mismo. You can ask anything about our products and compensation plan. Tatanungin mo siya, ilang percent nga ba yung barley? Sasagot siya. Pero ang sagot niya ganito, ano ka ba, ang tagal-tagal mo na, di mo pa alam. Biro lang. Please ask intelligent questions. Get personalized business suggestion. Tatanungin mo siya, ano bang gagawin ko para maging prime partner na ako? Sasagutin ka niya. Sasabihin niya sa iyo yung mga dapat gagawin mo, aaralin mo, ano dapat ang daily activities mo, ilan ang kinakausap mo, ilan ang pinoprospect mo, ilan ang binibenta mo, lahat. Sasabihin niya. Hindi na lang si upline nagpa-follow up sa iyo. Si AI Companion, pinapollow up ka. Yung downline mo ganun din, hindi na lang ikaw ang nagpa-follow up sa kanya. Yung AI Companion, pinapollow up na siya. Yaan ang AI ng Ascendra International. Data-driven, bibigyan ka ng data ng grupo mo. Ano ba mas marami, babae o lalaki? Ilang mga taon na? Saan ka malaki? Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Anong produkto ang hindi gumagalaw? Anong produkto yung malakas sa grupo mo? Ano yung hindi mo iniinom, lagot ka? Bibigyan ka ng data ni AI so that you can make wise decisions and trainings based on the need of your team. Hindi na lang yung training ka ng training. May data analytics ka based dun sa binigay mong information kay AI. Darating ang panahon si AI, executive assistant mo na. Nire-remind ka kung ano schedule mo. Nire-remind ka kung sino ng downline mo ang bumababa ang income. Nire-remind ka kung sinong customer ang wala ng barley. Executive assistant na siya. Saan ka pa? Saan ka pa? Saan ka pa? Saan ka pa? Huwag mong galingan dito, bahala ka. Lahat binibigay na sa inyo. Sino magbibigay sa inyo ng executive assistant? Sige nga. Sino magbibigay ng AI? Ang bayad mo magkano sa subscription pagka-associate ka? $299. Tapos ayaw mo pa. Bahala ka. Galit na ako sa'yo. Ayan o, may business assistant ka. Subukan mo mga mag-employ ng business assistant. I-interviewin mo pa. Minsan magaling pa sa'yo ang walang ya. Dito AI oh. May kilala ko gumagamit ng AI tuwing gabi. Sinasabi hey friend, can you tell me what to do or what to wear tomorrow because we will have a big activity and I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear. Si AI. May kilala akong ganun, hindi ko sasabihin ko sino. Mock-up of chat interface with sample query. What's my income projection this week? Ipo-project na ni AI kung magkano ang kikitain mo base sa production mo ng mga nakaraang linggo. Alam niya pag tamad ka. What's my projected income? Sabihin niya, since you're lazy last week, you will only make 1,000 this week. AI. We make it easier for you. Don't just tell us na binobola namin kayo, na hype namin kayo. Reality to. Ang nag-develop sa atin ito, hindi ako. Ang nag-develop sa atin, pioneer ng artificial intelligence sa buong Pilipinas. We are a very small company to be even noticed by this very great guy. But since he saw the vision of Azendra, without talking about any contract, any money, anything, we shook hands and let's do it. Sabi niya lang sa akin. Kaya nga sabi kanina ni CFO, the universe is very thankful because the universe connected the right dots to make everything happen. Hindi po namin working ito. Working po to nung nasa taas lahat ng nangyayari ngayon. Next. Ayan. Ladies and gentlemen, part of our development, we launched Azendra International. Our CEO, Miko Imson, launched Azendra Insurance Agency, or AIA, introducing to you, unlocking the third division, our Solution Technology Division. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you, AscendWorks. Hindi lang tayo MLM, hindi lang tayo insurance. We are a tech solution company already. May division na tayo, na IT na rin tayo. Darating ang panahon, because may sarili tayong AI, kukunin na tayong AI ng iba't ibang mga kumpanya. We can provide business solutions for different traditional businesses. May mga problema yung mga restaurants, gusto nila ng AI, they can get us. May mga problema yung mga contractors, they can get us. May mga problema yung mga private sectors, they can get us. We have partnered with someone who is so expert in this industry. He is supposed to be here with us today. Unfortunately, nagkaroon siya ng engagement sa Sweden. He promised me that he will be here. Last night, we had a chat. Sabi niya, I cannot really say no. I'm in Sweden. You cannot say no to the Swedes, sabi niya. Sabi ko, my people, our distributors, our partners are waiting for you. And the best thing he can do, sabi niya, I can just create a video para introduce yung sarili ko. And to talk to you guys, this is just 2 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing to you our partner dito sa ating division na to. Ascendra International partnering with an IT company. We are called Ascendra Works. Introducing to you our partner. Next. Ayan.
Ascenders. Hello, everyone.
Wala ba kayo mga kamay?
I am truly sorry that I can't be with you in person today.
Volume, please. Volume.
I'm currently in Sweden balancing a full schedule, but my heart, my vision, and my purpose are with you all today. For those of you guys who doesn't know me yet, my name is Thor. And for the last decade, I have had the privilege of building artificial intelligence across the world. This involves countries like the United States, Sweden, Australia, United Kingdom, and beyond. Now, I have seen how AI can transform industries, empower communities, and unlock possibilities where once only imagined. I've also worked in the defense sector, where AI does more than just drive innovation, it saves lives. It helps people make faster, smarter decisions when every second counts. It reminds us that technology, when guided by purpose, can become a force for good. And now, together with the founders of Ascendra, we are channeling the same spirit and capability into something extraordinary. The creation of Ascendra AI. Now we will fuse human ambition and artificial intelligence together. A living, learning network that will help every member move faster, grow stronger, and rise higher. Because today, it's no longer the big that eats the small, it's the fast that eats the slow. And with Ascendra AI, we will be the fastest. Learning, adapting, evolving faster than any MLM has ever done before. This AI will become the DNA of Ascendra. Not just a tool, but a trusted ally that empowers each of us to become better, wiser, and stronger versions of ourselves. And I want you to remember this. Every revolution begins with people who refuse to stand still. People who keep believing. People who keep building. People who keep rising. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just technology that we're talking about. This is a movement, a revolution. And together, we rise as one. Humans and AI unified by a single vision to build a future where possibility knows no limits. I'll see you very soon. I'm heading back to Philippines next week, and I can't wait to continue this journey with all of you. Thank you. And enjoy the event today.
As we come together once again, let the beats remind us of where we have been and inspire us for where we're going. A new decade of love and a new era of sounds and experiences is ahead of us.
Yan, pwede nyo kaming makachat with AI, yung version ko, doon sa virtual reality, kasama naman sa boardroom, si CSO Joseph, kasama sa boardroom, si CFO. Ayan, gusto nyo makausap yung admin, seminar hall and everything, update, briefings, lahat yan, virtually, makikita at may experience nyo na. Tayo lang ang may ganyan. Proud ka ba? Proud ka ba? Ang maganda nito, ulitin ko, when you have prospects or ikaw mismo, gusto mong baliwin yung sarili mo, all access ito, basta ascender ka. Lahat kayo